Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe. Can I get a hell yeah? Today's special guest is my mama. Last video was my sister. Today we're gonna get this look. If you want to see how to do it, then please stay tuned. Come on, more. Yeah. Next up, we got my mama. Zooming on in. She's looking glowy with her new hair. Alright, let's get it in. So same thing with you. I'm gonna do a little bit of the McGrath. You have lotion on and stuff?
Yeah, I have the Ola Erickson.
Ola Henriksen?
Ola Erickson. I'll never be able to say it.
Ola Erickson.
Ola?
My mom has an Ola Erickson. If you know where to buy it, comment below.
Ola Erickson.
Nurture Me?
Nurture Me and the banana plate.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
My faves. So it's the same thing for you. Do you have a fire? Yeah, this thing's light. Okay. You're so ticklish. Let me just wet this real quick. Yeah, this is too light, Mom. You got a little tan. I'm gonna use another color. I prefer to go a little darker than lighter because color correcting purposes. So I'm gonna go in. I brought this other one for you. This is the, oh yeah, medium deep 26.
Going in my hairline.
I know, I'm trying hard not to.
That's fine.
Oh yeah, we're gonna freaking give you like the spiciest brow, the bossiest lip, and the sassiest eye. And use the Dose of Colors concealer here.
Do you know I never use concealer? I know, I'm sorry.
You have nice skin. No, don't apologize to me.
Just saying.
I just think that like must be nice.
No, I think it's more, I'm not even sure what to use it for. But, you know what it is? I never get to blend it in as seamlessly as you.
I've given you
I know, and I can watch your tutorials. I don't do anything.
She's ready with all the comebacks today because I checked her last time.
I have the blender, I have water, I have everything. You know what? In my mind, I've just decided that I can't do it.
That's literally what we were talking about before this.
We were talking about that before. To be honest, we are trapped inside, so I'm really not going anywhere.
You honestly, since this whole thing, I mean, I already dressed like a boy beforehand, but like, I just really stopped giving a shit. Chin down since this whole thing happened.
Chin down?
Yeah. Like my leg needs to be sitting, my makeup can be cute, but
yeah.
I feel like I have no clothes, even though I have a closet. I just wear the same thing all the time, and I look like shit, let's be honest.
It's called being comfortable.
Yeah, very more than comfortable at this point.
Although I have to say, when I put on normal clothes, it feels great.
Good.
When I put a dress on, I feel cute.
That's good. I don't feel cute in a dress ever. I prefer
I don't think I've
tomboy vibes. Yeah, you have.
Well, other than when you're going out, but like a casual dress, never.
No, what the hell is a casual dress?
A casual dress for you is some really tight mini skirt that
shows my butthole.
Okay.
So I'm just extending your eyebrows on the end first. With you, I just try to like thicken them and then smooth it out after.
Okay, so here's a big question. During this whole lockdown, do you do your makeup every day?
No.
Okay, when do you do your makeup?
Well, now like restaurants and stuff are open, and like if I'm going to see a friend or go for dinner, then I'll put makeup on. Or if I'm doing something for Instagram or YouTube, which I find it's been so long, it's like I'm so not used to being social that like when I do film, I'm like, oh my god, delete it, because I feel like I don't know what I'm doing anymore because I'm not used to socializing and I'm not used to having the internet open. Yes, thick brows. See? Well, yeah, they thick.
I love it.
That's generous, Mom. You're supposed to love it after I'm done, not now.
Okay, I like it.
Yeah, be like, this is shit, you could do better. That's what I want to hear. Take the same brow gel I used on my sissy. Give me brow. Brush them up into place.
The illusion of brows.
Yeah, and then we could go back in and do swipes after we sculpt them to the right spot. Look at my mom's water. She doesn't even drink. First of all, she's a hairdresser. Look at her water. You know what this looks like?
Yeah, I know.
What? What does it look like?
Jack Daniels.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. Looks like she's right out of a party. Okay, let's sculpt these babies.
So I just figured out why I can never do awesome makeup.
If you say because you don't sculpt it, you say that every time.
No, I was gonna say I'm using my hairdresser knowledge here. So people always say, oh, I wish I could do my hair like how you do it. And it's like, well, no, you're not going to sit there for 5 hours, you know, an hour and do it properly. You just want to do it in 5 minutes. So the same thing, I want to do my makeup in 5 minutes and have it look as bomb as when you do it. But it's because you spend the extra time that I'm not going to spend. Yeah. And that's why.
It's like when you go to a restaurant and you have sushi.
Mystery salt.
Yeah.
Yep. So sushi, what about sushi?
Well, are you going to sit there and boil rice, add the sugar, the vinegar, get the nori, the wrapping thing, and all that stuff, or you want to go somewhere for 20 minutes and have some bomb sushi?
Yeah, first of all, I could never make sushi the way they make it.
Yeah, you have to be like, they study for like 10 years, like actual sushi masters, before you can even like make a sushi or something. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Come on, eyebrows. Those eyebrows look fire, moms.
Yeah, they look good.
Well, that one.
It looks okay, and with a bit more practice and time, it will be better.
Don't give me a participation ribbon. I actually want to win first place. I made them more thick today, but I'm going to see.
Okay. What was that?
What?
Action. Okay.
What?
The little brushing thing we're just doing right now.
I'm trying to sculpt these brows, moms. Yeah, those are big ass eyebrows.
I love them.
Yeah, you cute. We're gonna redo underneath your eyes in a little bit, but let's do some eyes.
Make sure it's age appropriate.
Mom!
What?
You're a freaking majestic unicorn. No one knows how old you are. You don't look your age, so I can do whatever I want. I'm just
know. Like, you can't give me something that makes me look too young now.
We're gonna use the McGrath Mothership Divine Rose 2. So for you, I always like to go way up with my contour shade like that. Blend it in. And I'm doing the concealer retouch after, so that if I want to sculpt it or lift it anymore, then it's easy to do that. I'm gonna give you this really dope color look. It's in the palette.
Really dope color. All right.
Oh, look at that. That looks so tight with your hair. Okay, now I'm gonna go on this beautiful color. I don't even know what it's called, but it's stunning right here. Yeah. Oh shit.
What?
That's fire. I'm living. No one does colors like this, like that. Like it's one color, but it looks like I'm using like 4 different colors on your eye right now. Damn.
So is it like an iridescent look?
Well, it's like switches on you. Like it's like a few different colors. So when you move, it'll look pink, it'll look green. That's so cute. My mom's cute. I'm just gonna buff out the edges a little bit with this color right here.
You're making me look younger. I think that
Am I?
pisses people off. Yeah.
I'm really like young.
I'm supposed to look old. Make me look old.
I'm like, that's your mom.
Okay, do you guys want to know the story of Sondra's adoption?
Okay, Mom, first of all, you need to stop spreading rumors.
Okay.
Or I'm about to learn something. Either way, I'm not ready for it.
I'll tell you guys another time.
When she opens up her phone channel, she'll be like,
True.
Sonjdradeluxe.
This is a story about Sonjdradeluxe.
Oh my gosh. You know why I'm an obsessive hand washer? One time you told me that like in the freaking like 90s, I don't know, a long time ago, like 80s maybe, you said.
Like maybe in the 2000s.
Maybe in the 1800s, whatever, just kidding.
Like 4 years ago.
Yeah, when I was 6 and you were 10. You told me that this makeup artist did your makeup and their fingers smelled like they didn't wash them after they went to the bathroom. So since then, I literally have made my hands age 60 years just to wash them before I always do people's makeup. Like at MAC, when I used to work there, I would wash my hands like aggressive. So I'd be tanned here, but I'd always scrub the tan off my hand. But you realize how much you can smell, everybody.
Your hands up in your face?
Yeah, your fingers. Like, what'd you do before you got here? Every time I call you, we talk on the phone for like an hour plus. Look up.
You avoid my calls sometimes.
I do not avoid your calls. I just sometimes I'm like, let me call you when I have a freaking good hour to
You're like,
talk.
oh my god, I can't handle this right now.
No, never.
You're gonna try and keep me on the phone for an hour.
Why try and keep you on the phone for an hour?
No. So this is the purpose of this is to make...
We're lifting your face right now. Because that's why I kind of did the concealer second, because I wanted to do the eyeshadow and use the concealer to kind of sculpt and lift to make it look like you have more of a different angle to your eyes.
To make me look younger.
Yes, exactly, whatever you want.
So this is why I look younger. Not because I actually look younger.
You
She's
do
lifted
look
my
younger.
face with concealer.
I do it to me, I did it to Maya. It's not an age thing, it's a freaking snatched thing. Look up, putting some of the Pat
Did you
McGrath.
say freaking? Did you mean freaking or did you mean another word?
You know how I talk. Cool. Cool. Alright, now I want to get into some of this. I really want to use this on you. This is the Cognac Candy Diamond Balm from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use my hands.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Push a little extra on there. You just keep glistening, moms. Alright, and now we're going to take the bronzer that I love. This is the Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. I use it on myself every day for the past 10 years, it feels like. Or it is true. It is true. Holy shit. That's true. This is the Maui Nights by Becca Cosmetics. This is a really beautiful rosy color that I kind of did same kind of bronzy look with my sis. And then, so for lippies, for crying out loud, this wasn't recording and I started doing my mom's liner, so she decided to blot it off, which so you guys could see it. I'm just filling in her lips a little bit.
A lot.
A lot. And outside of your lips. Rub your lips together. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Gloss.
I was in Walmart one time and I saw this man in his Sunday vest and he said, "Excuse me, can you tell me where the hot chocolate is?" And I'm like, "Oh, sorry, I don't work here." And 2 aisles down, I realized what he was doing.
Ah! You could have got a number!
The man was like 95.
Oh.
I couldn't believe it.
He wanted some hot chocolate.
He
for
looked
dinner.
all innocent, just came from church in his suit. And
Damn.
he asked me where the hot chocolate was. I'm like, "I don't look like I work here."
He wanted my mom's sandwich for dinner.
Yuck.
He wanted my mom's sandwich and I don't approve. Better come harder than that. Anyway, she doesn't like lashes, so you guys are in for a treat because she don't let me do this very often. Actually, you know what? You put your own little bit of mascara on the top, Fetishized mascara, Pat McGrath Labs. The reason why I did light on the eyes is because it's so dimensional and the lashes are thick as fuck. I thought the liner was more purple. I just don't think those two colors go together.
Okay, so I'll take it off.
Yeah, take it off and then show us where the hot chocolate is. We're going back to the drawing board. We'll keep the liner on, but I think this will be pretty. Yeah, that's way better.
Is that a new technique?
I'll be doing that. Yeah, this color is very pretty and it's modern because it's a little smudged.
Modern. Take me out the 80s.
Modern. No, you ain't never been there.
I was never in the 80s.
No. Alright, and then we're going to take the hot chocolate lip gloss again because I think that was a good look. It was just the liner was too brown. Yeah, this color's fly as thick.
I like how it makes me look like I paid some good money for these lips and they're free.
You didn't, you got them from God.
No.
God was like, let those lips be juicy.
I shall have juicy lips.
Now we're going to do some eyelashes. Okay, so what I'm going to do real quick before we finish those together, so I'm going to take that brush. Like, so what you can do is take concealer, blend it out, make it a sharper line. Try and use a concealer that's closer to their skin tone so you can just blend it out. Rub your lips together. I always like to say rub your lips together so I can see where they naturally kind of fall. Let me see. Yes, Mom, you look so cute.
I do.
Okay, now we're gonna do some nose contouring. We use the Caramel Cutie, because that's what you are. And I'm just gonna go right down the side of the nose here. MAC Fix Plus Bronzette. But I know you don't like shine, so I'm just gonna do some parts. I'm gonna do the top of your cheekbones. I know, isn't it? Not all over, because she doesn't like to look too shiny. Very cute. Alright, moms, we done.
I love it.
They look pretty. Come on, more! Yeah! So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Hope you loved it. Love yourself, stay pretty, stay safe, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.